for sure buyer ang mga magre-reserve, of course, with Rockwell. Kasi makita mo pa lang yung unit, I think mapapa-reserve ka talaga. And hindi ko magdadalawang isip with what you are investing on.
Hi guys! Hi future homeowners, hi property investors, hi to home buyers. So, I'm Allan, by the way, and I'm here with these beautiful ladies here.
Hi guys, I'm Sheila and we are here today with...
Hi guys, I'm Carla.
Ano nga ba yung pag-uusapan natin for today's afternoon?
So we are happy to share with you guys a very beautiful project here in Pampanga, which is the Rockwell at Nepo Center.
And it is strategically located here in Angeles City. It's one of the haven in the heart of Angeles.
So this project is a 4.6 hectare development.
And actually, it's really a mixed-use development, di ba, Ma'am Carla? Because there are really a lot of parang mga mangyayari na development dito sa area, right?
Yes, that's right. And speaking of which, we will also have an office building, a power plant mall, which is the first outside Makati, and the residential component.
And of course, pinagmamalaki ng Rockwell is the power plant mall, right? And yun nga, you will bring the Makati ba yun?
Yes, that's the one in Makati, in Rockwell Center.
Rockwell Center, it will be here in Pampanga. So ano ba yung sa power plant mall na yun?
We're targeting to bring brands from Rockwell in Makati. So for example, what we have there are Rolex, Furla, and then Zara. So we want that brand to be brought here in Pampanga kasi wala tayong masyadong high-end brands dito eh. So we're really excited for that.
So meaning, hindi mo na kailangan lumuwas ng Manila para lang pumunta sa mga very prestigious brands, di ba, that we have there. Sigurado excited na yung mga residents natin dito, sa mga Kapampangans, and even actually foreigners. Which, kasi we all know that Angeles have a very big numbers when it comes to foreigners.
Yes, correct. And of course, like what I've mentioned a while ago, it's really strategical location, located in the heart of Angeles because like with my experience from the site development going to HLURB, it took me about 15 to 20 minutes drive. And then malapit lang din siya sa airport from HLURB going to the New Clark International Airport, like 15 to 20 minutes as well. So it's really very accessible to establishments and yun nga, sa mga malls, hospitals. We also have hospitals here like the AUF and of course the schools, the Holy Angel University, right? So ayun, very strategic yung location niya, very accessible.
So we already have the first building named the Manansala, which is already 96% sold. Diba, Miss Carla, ilang years bago ma-sold yun, yung first building natin?
It got sold ng 96% in less than 2 years.
Imagine
So ganun
that.
kabilis yung pag-embrace ng Kapampangans and other investors sa project natin here in Pampanga.
Because bakit nga ba sila nag-invest dito or bumili with that very like fast phase ng pagbebenta? Bakit nila in-embrace? Because of, first, I believe it's the lifestyle nga. Diba? What in store in Rockwell because of its brand.
Also, I think this is because this is the first high-end development here in the center of Angeles. That's why we were embraced by the environment or by the people from here na na-excite sila to invest from us. That's why unexpectedly we got almost sold out in less than 2 years.
Yes. And of course, in that span of 2 years, I believe, of course, we're not just investing on a lifestyle, as well as we're investing as well for the property itself because we really strongly believe that when you invest in a property, of course, you're looking forward for a capital appreciation, which how many percent in the span of 2 years?
So for the Manansala, around 30%.
Around 30% or more pa.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
And of course, continuously, di ba, tumataas yung capital appreciation as time goes by. Lalo na pre-selling pa
Yes,
ang
correct.
ating projects.
Mm.
And imagine, 2 years, so that's year 2021, during the pandemic, then people are still buying and investing on, of course, good and beautiful properties. Di ba?
Yes. And of course, with that number of percentage or dun sa rate ngayon, we will going to beat the inflation rate. That's why we're investing, di ba? And of course, we're really looking forward din kapag mata-turnover na yung property. What more kapag mata-turnover na, di ba? So, it will continually go up or increase in value over time. Kailan ba yung turnover pala, by the way? Speaking.
So for the Manansala, which is the first tower, ang turnover date is 2025. For the second tower, the BenCab, it's 2026. And then for the power plant mall, it's 2027. So sunod-sunod lang siya. That's why yung construction din natin ngayon, nag-start na.
With that being said, at least 2 years from now, makikita na natin yung first building, and then the year after, the second building, and then comes mid-2027, hopefully, we have the power plant mall na andyan na yung mga luxurious and prestigious brands natin. And I think the target completion of the whole project is by 2028. So that is the estimate, pero just by investing today and then counting some few years, and then makikita mo na yung development ng
Correct.
project.
Of course, with its very premium deliverables, finishes, what are the deliverables of...
Pag-usapan natin yung mga units.
Yeah.
Ayan,
Okay,
dyan ako
sige.
excited eh.
The typical floor units na meron tayo. And of course, how many floors ba meron for each tower?
Okay, for the BenCab, we have studio to 3-bedroom available. So studio is 32 square meters. For our 1-bed, it's 45 to 55 square meters. And then for 2-bedroom, we do have 82 to 98 square meters. And then for our biggest unit, which is the 3-bedroom, it's 126 square meters.
Wow! Malaki yung units.
Oh, yes.
We are, we are handling different projects all over the Philippines. Pero with that being said, a studio, a 1-bedroom, and yung studio, nabanggit na ba yung studio?
Yes, 32 square
32,
meters.
malaki siya.
Mm-mm.
Diba? Napaka-spacious. Which is, we all know Kapampangan, very sanay kasi yan sa talagang wide space. So, deserve talaga nila yung isang Rockwell unit.
Correct. And of course, like what I've mentioned, it's really very premium yung deliverable. So, what we have sa tiles, sa flooring niya.
Yes, for the living and dining area, is also the bedroom, we'll be using engineered wood flooring.
Okay.
And then for all of our units has a balcony.
Now, let's talk about the amenities.
What are the amenities that we are really looking forward dito sa Rockwell na to? And of course, again, it's really very, very premium. So we have the swimming pool, of course, right?
Yes, it's a 25-meter pool, and then we'll also have a kiddie pool.
Oh.
And then there's a clubhouse wherein we'll have a function room that can cater 80 packs. Also the gym.
Nice.
So we'll also have multi-purpose court, pocket gardens around, playground, barbecue area. Actually, we do have a lot to offer to our unit owners.
Parang ang saya ng barbecue area.
Oh.
Diba? So, if you want to set up a barbecue, of course, hindi ka na mahahassle on your own unit. Just go, diba, on the ground floor, and then you have your barbecue area.
Actually, Rockwell is also generous when it comes to open spaces.
For our residential area, it's 78% open space.
Oh, 78%. Parang baliktad yata, no? Normally kasi parang...
Maliit yung
oo,
open space, and
space.
then sinusulit kasi yung for the
yeah,
floor area
correct.
Pero wow, 78%.
Normally, the standard kasi 30% would be the open space, and then the 70% should be the saleable area. But for this one, it's
77%.
yeah. Baliktad dito, di ba?
Premium na premium. So how about the unit finishes? I think nabanggit na kanina, we have the engineered wood flooring, and then the built-in. Di ba meron na tayong mga built-in? We can show you around the video. So we can flash some maybe on this video or on the last part of the video, meron na kasing built-in cabinets. So in the kitchen, in the bedroom, di ba? So all you have to do is just bring your things. And of course, your appliances. Yan. Mga distinctions sa Rockwell. So I think we have 3 items here. So gusto ko dito yung glass sliding door for the balcony.
Yes.
Yeah, nakaka-premium feels like, of course, maganda kasi yung view. You can see the, depende on which side your unit is facing. Pero we have the mountain ranges.
Mount Arayat.
May Mount Arayat on the
the
other
amenity
side.
area as well. Because we have a great lawn or a big garden in the middle. So very, puro greeneries, landscapings, yung makikita mo from your window.
Nice.
And then next we have the open kitchen layout.
That's right. From our 55 square meter, 1 bedroom and up, we do have an open space layout. So yung open kitchen layout, sorry. So yung countertop on your kitchen, extended siya for an open kitchen feel. So parang extended siya seeing or viewing your living and dining area. Ganun siya. Especially Kapampangas, mahilig magluto eh. That's why we had this idea na parang to give a bigger space for the kitchen. Kasi mahilig tayong magbisita, tapos mag-cook for them. So that's why.
Actually, ako personally, gusto ko yung ganong idea. Kasi, you are the one preparing food. Pero syempre, ayaw mong ma-outcast with your visitors and then nag-uusap kayo and everything. Pero syempre, nasa kitchen ka lang and then, kumbaga, medyo extend na or viewing din sa dining area. So parang, at least, hindi ka na-outcast and then you can still entertain your visitors, di ba? So, that's the second item with Rockwell. And then the third one, eto Miss Carla, tell us about this. The basement access to and from the power plant mall.
Okay, just like the one in Rockwell, Makati. Kasi we do have an access there from all of the residential buildings going to power plant mall. So that's what we're bringing here. So hindi mo na kailangan lumabas pag mainit, umuulan. Meron kang keycard access going to the mall just through your basement. So very convenient for our unit owners. It's exclusive for our unit owners.
Imagine, kababa mo ng unit mo, you have all these perks, diba? So, galing.
So, wow, di ba? Yung mga distinctions by having an investment here in Rockwell. Ayan yung mga ma-enjoy ng ating mga investors.
Yes. Aside from that, Michi, we have these exclusive features about our project. So, we have 3 items here. Number 1 is the 100% backup power map. So, can you please elaborate with the 100% backup power?
Okay. So for other developments kasi, parang whenever there's a power outage, na parang particular area lang yung merong power. So for our project, or for with the Rockwell, 100% backup power. So in less than 10 seconds, magbabalik lahat ng power. So you can use everything as normal. Ganun.
Siyempre naman, katabing-katabi yung Angeles electric power, di ba? So, dapat lang talagang hindi mawala ng power. Lalo na ngayon, actually perfect to if you're really working from home, di ba?
Correct.
So, hindi ka mawawalan talaga ng kuryente dito.
Ang ganda noon, 100% backup power. So, take note, diba, our dear investors, that it is not just an ordinary parang backup power. You can use it as usual, like everything. Hindi lang, yung iba kasi we have the lights only, diba? Pero in here, everything is
We'll go back into as normal.
as usual. And then,
We
next.
also have 24/7 security dito sa Rockwell. And I believe it's really powered by CCTV cameras all across the site development, right? So, yun, we have also the roving guard and mga security guards. Syempre, meron mga malls and what more sa unit itself, right? Sa tower. And then,
and the last exclusive feature here in Rockwell, they have the dedicated residential leasing team. So, Miss Carla, can you please tell us about this property management?
Okay. Our dedicated leasing team can handle your unit for you. For example, you're an unit owner and then you want your unit to be leased out. So we have this team, they can market your unit for you. And then, if ever then you want it to be sold, we can market as well. So from end to end. So not just selling kasi. For others, parang tabentahan mo na, that's it. But for us, na parang if you want this to be as an investment, you want to lease it out, we can help you. If you want it to be sold, we can also help you. So end to end siya.
Yeah. Speaking of that, you use the right term. Actually, it's lease, not rent. Normally, we use the term lease for long term and for rent for short term. For this, our towers kasi, we have a minimum of 6 months. 6 months to 1 year or more. Because ano ba yung reason behind doon? Bakit Rockwell is not allowing like on a short term like Airbnbs?
Because we want to keep the security and the exclusivity of the area. So we want our unit owners and our lessees to enjoy everything, the amenities, the exclusivity, that's what I've said. So para we want to limit yung in and out na tao.
Correct.
Kasi if for Airbnb, daily, iba-iba yung tao papasok. So we want to keep yung
is the reservation fee, how long will be the reselling terms pa, and then the financing options.
Yeah. Though for this one, we could just say the terms, but when it comes to the exact amount, because again, yun nga, it varies depending on
kung kailan nyo napanood yung video na to.
invest because again, our price is continually increasing. So for our payment terms, ano ba yung mga payment terms natin dito?
Our standard is 10, 30, 60. So 10% down payment, 30% stretched in number of months because it's decreasing depending when you will reserve. So and yung count ng months to when the turnover yung unit. And then the rest, which is the 60%, is for bank financing or you can also pay in cash.
Habang hindi pa nata-turn over, it's still 0% interest.
That's right.
Yes.
And also for the reservation fee, it's 100,000.
For sure buyer ang mga magre-reserve, of course, with Rockwell. Kasi makita mo pa lang yung unit, I think, mapapa-reserve ka talaga. And hindi ko magdadalawang isip with what you are investing on. So in summary, after the reservation, you have to pay spot 10%. And then for the 30%, stretch DP. So that is a zero interest depending on the months nga kung ilan pa yung remaining on when you are going to reserve. Or yung promo nila today, they have the 15% stretch DP.
Yun. So, what are we waiting for? Let's see the condo tour that we have for the last part of this video. Feel free to watch the condo tour here. So I hope you've enjoyed our condo tour for today. Feel free to contact us for more information. And again, we're really more than happy to guide and help you acquire your first Rockwell investment here in Angeles City, Pampanga.
So thank you for watching, guys. And of course, thank you, Miss Carla of Rockwell, for joining us today on our video.
See you soon!
Bye!